Are you considering a hair transplant in the UK? One of the crucial aspects to evaluate before undergoing the procedure is the cost involved. Hair transplant costs can vary depending on several factors, including the type of procedure, the extent of hair loss, the clinic's location, and the surgeon's expertise. Welcome back to Hair Implants in Turkey, Hair Transplant Clinic. In this video, we will delve into the topic of hair transplant cost in the UK, providing valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. What is a hair transplant? A hair transplant is a surgical procedure that involves moving hair follicles, donor hair, from one area of the body, typically the back or sides of the scalp, to the balding areas. It is an effective solution for individuals seeking to restore their hairline or increase hair density in specific areas. Types of hair transplant procedures. There are two primary hair transplant procedures, widely used in the UK. Follicular unit transplantation, FUT, also known as strip harvesting. FUT involves removing a strip of tissue from the donor area and dissecting it into individual hair grafts for transplantation. Follicular unit extraction, FUE. A FUE hair transplant involves extracting individual hair follicles directly from the donor area, using a specialized punch tool. This technique leaves minimal scarring, and has a shorter recovery period compared to follicular unit transplantation, FUT. Factors affecting hair transplant cost in the UK. The cost of a hair transplant can vary due to several factors, including degree of hair loss. The extent of your hair loss will influence the number of grafts required for the transplant. More extensive hair loss may necessitate a larger number of hairs, leading to higher costs. Technique used. The choice between FUT and FUE can impact the cost. FUE hair transplants are generally more expensive due to the meticulous nature of extracting individual follicles. Surgeons' experience and reputation. Experienced and renowned hair transplant surgeons may charge higher fees, reflecting their expertise and track record of successful procedures. Clinic location. The location of the clinic also plays a role in the cost. Clinics in metropolitan areas or prestigious neighborhoods tend to have higher overhead costs, passed on to the patients. Average hair transplant cost in the UK. The average cost of a hair transplant in the UK ranges from £4,000 to £15,000. However, it is important to note that this is an estimate, and prices can vary significantly based on the factors mentioned earlier. Financing options for hair transplants. To make hair restoration more accessible, many clinics offer financing options. These can include installment plans, medical loans, or partnerships with financing companies. It's advisable to inquire about these options during your initial consultation. Choosing the right hair transplant clinic. When selecting a hair transplant clinic, it's crucial to consider the following. Research the clinic's reputation and read patient reviews. Evaluate the surgeon's qualifications, experience, and specialization in hair transplantation. Assess the clinic's facilities, technology, and hygiene standards. Request before and after photos of previous patients to gauge the quality of results. Recovery and aftercare. Following a hair transplant, proper post-operative care is essential for optimal results. Your surgeon will provide detailed instructions regarding washing, medications, and avoiding activities that could impact the newly transplanted hair. Be prepared for a recovery period of around 2 weeks before resuming normal activities. Results and maintenance. Hair transplant results typically start to become noticeable after several months, with full results visible within a year. It's important to note that the transplanted hair will continue to grow naturally. Regular maintenance, including proper hair care and periodic follow-ups with your surgeon, will help ensure long-lasting results. Common myths about hair transplant cost. Let's debunk some common misconceptions regarding hair transplant costs. Myth 1. Hair transplants are unaffordable. While hair transplants can be a significant investment, various financing options and clinics offering competitive prices make them accessible to a wider range of individuals. Myth 2. Cheaper hair transplants are just as effective. Choosing a clinic based solely on cost can be risky. It is crucial to prioritize the surgeon's qualifications and reputation, as well as the clinic's track record, to ensure optimal results. Myth 3: all hair transplants yield natural-looking results. The final outcome of a hair transplant depends on multiple factors, including the surgeon's skill, the quality of the grafts, and the patient's individual characteristics. While modern techniques strive for natural-looking results, it's essential to manage expectations and understand that each case is unique. When considering a hair transplant in the UK, understanding the factors influencing cost, and making an informed decision are essential. By researching reputable clinics, consulting with experienced surgeons, and having realistic expectations, you can achieve natural-looking, long-lasting results. Remember to prioritize the expertise of the surgeon and the quality of care over cost alone. If you like Hair Transplant Cost UK video, please give us a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell, to be the first when we upload new video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.